The biggest Behdeinkhlam festival in Giant Hills district, organized by the Saint Right to Bear, concluded on Friday at Tuberk Mai Shnong village in East Giant Hills. The event attracted a large footfall. Some of the key rituals that were performed included Knya Ringkau, an oblation to the goddess who guards over the right, conducted by the priest or Ulingdo. Another symbolic ritual, Behdeinkhlam, involved Saint Right members running with sticks from the west to the east end of the village, beating anything in their path to drive away plague. The last two rituals performed before and after immersion of all rods brought to Aitnar were Kayatan Bhang and Yaslat. About 68 rods were brought to Aitnar from over 28 villages on Friday. The closing ceremony was attended by Arts and Culture Minister Paul Lingdo as the chief guest. Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Kerman Shilla. The